All right, YouTube, today we are back with the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip4. So we're going to go ahead and check out the cover display because we can now watch Netflix on the cover display. We can play YouTube music on here, and we can watch YouTube videos and do all kinds of stuff. So I'm going to show you real quick, give you a quick demo. This is what you can do. You can go ahead and use Samsung Pay. You authenticate with your thumb right here, unlock it, and yeah, we're not gonna do that right now, but you can go ahead and do that. You can play, you can even go into Twitter in here and browse Twitter real quick. I don't know if you can see that real good. You can browse Twitter, and we can go back and we can go into Netflix, and you can even watch a movie, just if it'll connect real quick. Can't connect. Let me go ahead and unlock it. Netflix games. What is this? Okay, we'll watch this one here.
Beautiful sound in the world?
Oh, yes, well, of course. A string quintet playing a lovely classical arena.
So you can watch Netflix on here. You can swipe that away.
So close, but
And we can go ahead and watch YouTube videos. So if you have YouTube videos on here and you don't have a subscription like I do, I can watch YouTube videos on here.
A phone plan by Google.
Let me turn the volume down. But I can watch videos on here, YouTube videos on here. And I don't have to open my phone or whatnot. So I can watch YouTube videos on here. I can skip through different one. I can skip through it. And the cool thing about it is that it's closed, so I can put it right back in my pocket, and I could listen to music and whatnot. So let me go ahead and get out of here. That's YouTube. And then we also can do YouTube music, and it'll play the videos depending on what music you got on. Let me go ahead and flip through it. It'll play the music videos. Let me go back to my, where is it? My like YouTube playlist. And you can see it'll play the music video. I got it turned down, but you can do this. I want to show you how to do that. It's pretty easy, and we go ahead and get out of here. You don't need to give any permissions away or nothing like that. And yeah, it's easy to put on here. You could only have certain apps though. It's not like, there's another one out that is called Cover Screen Launcher. This one is just called Cover Launcher. So I'm gonna show you how to get it. So it's pretty easy. If you go on here and you wanna go to, shout out to Santana, you wanna go to the Galaxy store here. So if you're on your Samsung device, you want to go to the Galaxy store, and then you want to type in Good Lock, because that's the application that you're gonna want to download and install it. So once you get Good Lock, let me go back and show you what you're gonna get. Let me see. You go to, where is it? Good Lock. It's going to start like this, and then you're going to want to download this one here, which is called Multi-Star. Download it, and then once you have it downloaded and installed on here, you want to go to I Love Galaxy Foldable, and here it is, Cover Launcher widget. Tap on there, and this is going to give you all your widgets, how you have them on your screen. You're only allowed to have 5 with this one, but basically that's the ones that I use. So you go on here and you'll see here, you could reorder them or whatnot. Tap on here and it'll show you the ones that you can that actually work with it, but you can also add different ones. You can put all apps, and it'll give you a list of all the apps that you want. And you just put them up there the way you want. And you could rearrange these, I guess. You could take them out. Or put them back on, whatever you want to do. You can change them. I'm going to show you back. You can put Facebook on there. So now I got Facebook, and that's it. And once you got what you want on there, you just close out. And then you go to you double tap and swipe over. And you're going to see now I have Facebook. So at Facebook, it's going to ask me to authenticate with the fingerprint. And now I got Facebook. So now I can browse through Facebook. It's kind of weird because the aspect ratio is a little, I mostly want it for like YouTube videos and stuff like that. But yeah, you get the idea. So you can rearrange this, but before you get any of this stuff, you got to swipe over all the way to the end and hit the add widget. And then you got to look for cover screen widget and add it. And then you'll have it on here. And you can move these around. You know how to move these around. You can just long press. I think it's, yeah, long press them. And you can move them around. That's simple. But yeah, check it out. Try it out. I love it. I think it's great. So the issue that I have is with YouTube. Let me show you. Let me demo real quick. If I go ahead and watch this video. And let me play one of my videos and I'll show you what I mean when I do that. So I'll play one of my videos. Turn the volume up. Oops. I'll turn the volume up.
And did you know that it's related to weight loss? Researchers estimate that over 80...
So this is my video. So what happens when the screen locks, it stops playing because I don't have a subscription. So now with the cover screen widget, I can go back and play that video that I was wanting to play. Screen is locked and it'll play. So I think that's great. I really like this, man. And this is pretty cool. I didn't think I'd be using this tiny screen, but I found myself using it. Just listening to videos and stuff. So yeah, give this app a spin and let me know what you guys think. I like it because you don't have to give away any permissions or nothing like that. So yeah, the app once again is called Gridlock. Once again, you go here and we go back and show you. Once you're in here, you download Multi-Star. This is what you'll get, and you'll have this one there, but you just have to download it. You just tap on the little arrow, it'll be right there, and then it'll download. You'll get it, and you go here and cover launcher widget, and yeah, tap on it. You'll get these, then you go to all of them and just play around with it. Drop a comment down below. Let me know what you guys think. Hope I helped somebody out. Like I said, I love this thing. I love the cover widget right here. It's a beast mode. We out.